Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Life can get hectic, but AI tools are here to make things easier, smarter and more efficient. Today I am sharing 15 AI powered tools for everyday life hacks that will save you time, energy and stress. So let's get started. Number 1, Notion AI. Notion AI takes productivity to the next level by helping you write, summarize, and organize notes, to-do lists, and projects effortlessly. Second, Grammarly. Grammarly uses AI to check your writing for grammar, tone, and clarity, perfect for emails, essays, and even social media posts. Third, ChatGPT. From planning your day to troubleshooting problems, ChatGPT can handle almost any task with ease. Fourth, Otter AI. Otter AI transcribes meetings, lectures, or conversation in real time so you never miss a detail. Fifth, Google Lens. Use Google Lens to identify objects, translate text, or find products just by pointing your phone's camera at them. Sixth, AnyDo. This AI powered task manager organizes your to do list, reminders, and calendars to keep you on track. Seventh, Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant use AI to manage smart home devices, set reminders, and answer questions on the go. 8th, Pocket. Pocket's AI recommends personalized articles and saves them for offline reading, helping you stay informed without distraction. Ninth, Shazam. Ever hear a song you love but don't know the name? Shazam's AI identifies it in seconds. 10th, Hooper. Planning a trip, Hooper uses AI to predict the best time to book flights and hotels, saving you money. 11th, Plant In. AI powered Plant In helps you identify plants, diagnose issues, and provide care tips to keep your greenery thriving. 12th, If This Then That. Automate tasks across apps and devices with IFTTT. For example, set it to turn off lights when you leave home. 13th, You Need a Budget. YNAB's AI tools helps you budget and track expenses, making imagine your finance and breeze. 14th, MyFitnessPal. Track meals, exercise, and calories with AI powered insights to help you reach your health goals. And last, 15, Sleep Cycle. Improve your sleep routine with Sleep Cycles AI, which tracks your patterns and wakes you during your lightest sleep phase. And there you have it, 15 amazing AI tools to simplify your everyday life. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more life hacks and technical tips. See you in the next time. Thank you for watching.